three-digit numbers where one digit repeated exactly twice. That means we are looking for numbers like 117, 224, or 122, whatever. Two numbers are repeated. Two numbers are repeated, and not all three numbers are same. Two numbers are same out of three numbers. This is what we are looking for. Now, if one digit is repeated, let's say that one digit can be 1, that one digit can be 1, that one digit can be 2, that one digit can be 3, whatever. Let us take this case. Let's say that the one digit is actually 1. So then how many ways of repeating that we have? Either when that repeated digit is 1, then we can pick this 1 as first two digits, or first and last digit, or last two digits. Right? There are these three ways only of 1 repeating twice. Either 1 is in the tens and hundreds, or hundreds and units, or tens and units. These are the only ways. Now, if 1 is repeated in the first two places, then we have here except 1, 0 to 9, all other options. Right. So we have to remove 1 here. We cannot consider 1. Everywhere, everything else we can put. For example, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 options here. Similarly, if 1 is repeated here and here, this number will have again 9 options. 0 to 9 excluding 1. But here we cannot include 0 here because we are looking for three digit numbers. So this here it will be 2 to 9. 0 and 1 we have to exclude. So we have 8 options. So total cases, total number of numbers where 1 is repeated exactly twice will be 9 plus 9 plus 8, which is equal to 26. Similarly for 2, similarly for 3, similarly for up to 9. So all of these cases 26 into 9. Right. So all of these cases 26 into 9. For 1 repeating twice, 2 repeating twice, 3 repeating twice. Similarly, all the 9 numbers repeating twice will get 26 into 9. But 0 is a special case. If 0 is repeated twice, that means 0 has to take last two digits only. 0 cannot take the first digit. Right. Then it will not become a three-digit number. So that means 0 has to take only the last two cases, last two slots. So first number can be anyone between 1 to 9. So we have only 9 numbers when 0 is repeated twice. So 26 into 9 plus 9, which should be equal to 27 into 9, 243 is the correct answer. This is one way of looking at this problem. Another way is, let's say, when three, when two of the numbers are repeating, and if you are looking for three-digit numbers, then we can see it as this case where all three numbers are non-zeros, all three numbers are non-zeros, or when one of them is zero, or when two of them are zeros. Right. When we pick the cases where all three are non-zeros, that means we get some numbers like x, x, y, where x and y both are not zeros. That means we have to select two out of nine numbers. Between 1 to 9, we have to select two numbers. Right. So, for example, 1 and 4. And we can make either of them repeat. So, 114 or 144. Right. So this set we can again arrange, right? So basically we are selecting 2 out of 9, 9C2, and then make either of them repeat, that's why into 2, right? Either of them repeat, and then we can arrange, both of them. Both of them. How many ways? We have three numbers and two of them repeating, so 3 factorial by 2 factorial. So we are selecting 2 out of 9 and arranging those two and making them repeat either one of them we can make them repeat, and then arranging all the three digits. So 9c2 into 2 into 3 factorial by 2 factorial will get 216 numbers when all three are non-zeros. When one of them is zero, that means what? We have to select one of them, one among nine. Okay, but then, so that means two digits are fixed. Then, but here, whatever we have selected, we have to pick that only. But these two we can be interchanged. So, for example, if you selected 6, then among these two, one of them will be 6, right? Among these two, one of them will be 6, another will be 0. But 0, 6 and 6, 0 both we can write because we are considering 1, 0. Right. One number, non-zero number, 1 to 9 we can pick. There are 9 options here. And then 0 and 6 or 6 and 0 or 0 and 7, 7 and 0, whatever. Because 1, 0 is already selected. 0 we can put it here or we can put it here. So there are two options. So 9 into 2, 9C1 is 9 into 2, which is 18. Right. When two zeros are selected, obviously, when two zeros are selected, these two are zeros, we only have nine options here. Only nine ways of choosing this first digit. Right, 1 to 9. So that is 9. So 216 plus 18 plus 9, this is also equal to 243. So this is another way of approaching the problem.